What's up, Too Well gang? I'm back with another Vlogski, man. Hey man, say, I ain't gonna lie, it's hot as fuck today. Fucking feel good as hell though, I ain't gonna lie, but like, it's just a regular day in the life vlog, man. I'm capturing this moment, 80-degree moment in February. Also, it's the first of the month. So yeah, I'm going. I'll cut through here. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. We go turn up today. We finna have some fun on game.
Why the opposition calling my line, telling me to come outside? I would, but I know they lying. Been through this shit before, you know. Phone them told me keep my eye. My mama had a dream about me dying. I told her that I hope she lying. It's gonna be a homicide. It's gonna be a homicide. Fuck a Dirk and they dying today. Facts. They told me that they sick and tired. They don't wanna die today. Whatever my niggas be wanting, no, I got them. I be out them drugs, addicted to narcotics. 2012 niggas wasn't with me in the promise. I'ma take a risk, carry my guns inside my joggers. Why you
damn, chat, it's over busting up here. I don't know what the fuck going on, bro. It's hella people.
And you know it's guaranteed when I say promise. And I got some shorties that gon' shoot.
In Atlanta, it's 80 degrees in the wintertime. If y'all know, you know. It feel like summertime out this bitch. It's literally February. It's the 1st of February, 1st of the month. It's like 80 degrees outside. I'm out here kind of overdressed, but hey.
Who say I ain't got no money, I'm like a meal on. You trust the hoe inside the housewife, she still going. Voice of the trenches talking for the streets. Teachers say I might be dead cause I love the streets. And she still told me that my grades above a B. The street don't love anyone but they in love with me. Fuck with me and it's a homicide. Try to clean my image with a turkey drive. When in 18 he getting out when he like 35. 2018 I'm going up, my show's 100 racks. Lie to you none, but in jail I say 100 lie. How the fuck you mad and I gave your ass 100 tries.
I'm on a whole bunch of vlogs here today, so it's only right to take advantage of weather when it's, you know, when it's warm out like this. You feel me? Run up some videos, some vlogs and all that shit, you know what I'm saying? So it's an all around content day in the A, mixed with whatever the fuck going on, parades and some more shit. So
telling me to come outside. I would, but I know they lying.
Y'all notice Atlanta, you bound to spot a celebrity any and everywhere. Let's see if that happened today.
About me dying. I told her that I hope she lying. It's gonna be a homicide. It's gonna be a homicide.
Imagine how it feel in like Miami and shit, bro. All of this just after a snowstorm, bro. It was just a snowstorm. It was just 5 inches of snow, man. Motherfuckers having dog fights and some more shit, gang. All type of shit going on. Damn. It's kids. I'm really curious of what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I wanna, low-key wanna ask what's going on. I'm curious. This shit overpacked. I didn't get the memo. I didn't get the memo of what's going on. Damn. Make this vlog too long because I do got other vlogs that I'm supposed to be shooting today, so this gonna be an all-in-one, another walk and talk or another shit day in the life in the A when it's 80 degrees on some shit. It's fake busting out here. I don't know what's sold out here. I ain't even seen motherfuckers that I know or nothing, and I see some fine shit. do a little quick drip check though, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, rate my drip under the comments. Hold on, let me set this shit up real quick. Do a little quick drip check real quick.
When I was 8, I was rhyming, not backyard game playing. Watching Snoop anxiously waiting for my chance, man. Hot and cocky with it, cause I know that I am, man. I'm going down in history like American Bandstand.
You ain't ride, you ain't bumping like I'm bumping. You ain't saying nothing, homie, you ain't fresh as I'm in. You ain't got it, you don't keep it Dougie like I keep it Dougie, little buddy. You ain't fresh as I'm in.
You ain't big whipping, you ain't steady tipping, no girls.
Alright, Cat, so that's the end of this vlog, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and wrap this shit up, you know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't trying to waste any more time, whatever. So just stay tuned for the next video. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, shout out to Real Nation. A whole lot of this shit, man, on game. I'm just out.
Whatever my niggas be wanting, know I got it. I be out the drugs, addicted to narcotics. 2012 niggas wasn't with me in the Bahamas. I'ma take a risk, carry my guns inside my joggers. Why you steady playing, ho? Let me be they father. Kill his ass in the streets, we hope they don't charge him. We can't find your ass, we gon' kill your heart.